All right, let's dive into something pretty powerful. We're going to break down a 90-day blueprint for some serious personal transformation. It's all about this idea of disappearing for a little while so you can come back as someone totally new.
And the whole idea really kicks off with this quote. I mean, think about it. Bruce Wayne, before he was Batman, what did he do? He vanished. He went into total isolation to train, to build himself into what he was going to become. And that's the secret sauce here. Real change needs you to block out the world and just focus. But look, let's be real. Most of us aren't about to pack up and move to a monastery on some remote mountain. And that's not the point anyway. The goal is to bring the principles, that intense focus, right into your life, exactly where you are. It's a system you can use without dropping everything.
So what does this actually look like day to day? Let's get into the nitty-gritty of what monk mode really is and the roles that make it all click.
Okay, so monk mode. Here's the deal. It's a 90-day sprint, a dedicated period where you just cut out all the noise, all the junk that doesn't help you grow. The entire goal is to get completely lost in your own self-improvement, kind of like building your own personal monastery, you know? And this is the trade-off. It's a really clear choice. You're swapping out all the noise, the gossip, the video games, all those endless distractions for deep, meaningful focus. You're giving up that instant gratification for something way more valuable in the long run. Real growth, real clarity, and real discipline. All right? These three things right here, these are your non-negotiables. They are the absolute foundation of your monk mode. You do them every single day. No excuses. I don't care if you're tired, if it's raining, if you just don't feel like it, you get it done. This is how you start to build that mental toughness, that resilience. Now, of course, you can add your own habits to the list. Maybe it's reading, maybe it's learning a new skill, but here's the catch. Keep the total number of these non-negotiables to 6 or less. Seriously, experience shows that once you go past 6, your consistency just tanks. Remember, the goal here is focus, not overwhelming yourself.
Next up, let's talk about something that might seem external, but has a massive, massive impact on your internal world. Let's talk about confidence, about forging the armor you need to take on the day. And this brings us to what's called the barbershop effect. You know that feeling, right? You get a fresh haircut, you walk out, and you just feel like you can take on the world. Well, that's not just in your head. That confidence is real, and it actually makes you more productive. When you know you look good, you feel good, and that's a powerful tool. Okay, now we need to tackle a huge piece of this puzzle, your money. And listen, this isn't about being materialistic or chasing fancy things. This is about removing one of the biggest sources of stress in life so you can actually have the mental space to grow. You just can't get into that deep, focused state if you're constantly worried about making rent or paying your bills. Money anxiety is this huge bottleneck on your brain. It literally steals the energy you need for everything else. If you're gonna build that superhero version of yourself, you gotta solve this problem first. So what's the solution? Well, it's focusing on what are called IPAs, income-producing activities. These are real, high-value skills that you can learn and then sell to get rid of that money stress. It's not about some get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building financial freedom so you can focus on what really matters. And here are some real-world examples of IPAs you could start learning like today. And a lot of this stuff you can learn for free online on places like YouTube. Every single one of these is a skill that companies desperately need and are willing to pay for. This is a practical path to giving yourself some financial breathing room. And this is a really powerful mindset shift. Making a lot of money isn't just for geniuses or people who are naturally gifted. It's about what you know. High earners just know things that other people haven't learned yet. So earning more isn't about some talent you don't have, it's about learning. And that's something anyone can do. Okay, so a 90-day challenge. Let's be honest, your motivation is going to fade at some point. That's just a fact. So how do you make absolutely sure you see this through to the end? Well, we're going to talk about 2 psychological anchors designed to make quitting pretty much impossible. First up, the physical anchor. You commit to something real, something you can't fake, like a marathon or a boxing match. There's no gray area. You either did it or you didn't. It makes your results real. Then there's the second anchor, the promise. Make a solid promise to someone you love and respect. It's wild, but we are just hardwired to do way more for other people than we often do for ourselves. You put these two together, you've got an unbreakable commitment system. All right, we've gone through the why, the what, and the psychological tricks to keep you going. Now let's pull it all together into a dead simple daily blueprint you can actually use. And this is it. This is your daily checklist, your battle plan.
You've got your non-negotiables, your personal habits, and dedicated time slots for working on your income-producing activity and learning. It's not complicated. It's just a simple tool to make sure you show up and do the work every single day. Print it out, stick it on your wall, whatever works. Just use it.
Now, let me be crystal clear about something. This is not a walk in the park. This challenge is designed to be tough. In fact, it's going to test you. It's going to require every bit of strength you have. So prepare for it, take it seriously, and once you start, do not look back.
And so, that brings us to the most important question of all. If you really do this, if you truly commit and disappear into your work for 90 days, who are you going to be on the other side? The potential is absolutely massive.